everyone, dear friend. Hope you are fine, good, and well. Today we are going to review another tiny, small, and cute old 1954 coin of the United Kingdom. The face value is 6 penny and the date is 1954. The currency is pound. This is the very beautiful thing in my collection. I am going to share with you and going to pick review of the coin. The size is very small and tiny and the color is silver as well. You can see in front of your screens the old cute coin. The condition is very mint and neat and clean. So let's go and have a look to the designs. The features interlinked plants, rose, thistle, shamrock, and leek, each with a leaf from the same stem. These represent the four constituent countries of the United Kingdom: England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales, respectively. Even this is very tiny thing, but you can see the things inside, in, behind of the coin, and the connected history mentioned in the coin in small letters below of the sides of the shamrock. Artist initials. Here you can see EF, a little EF. Here you can see EF. This is very tiny small coin. Now it's a little bit clear EF. In a small tiny coin there is many things to know and it's very interested. So that's why it's really cool thing. Around above the rest of the monarch legend FID DEF Fidedi Defender of the Faith. In English, easy translation, Defender of the Faith. Around below the denomination as two words, 6 pences, followed by the date of issue. Here you can see 6 pence 1954, and the border is vivid, very cool, line space line in small work. In small area you can see many things, many logo, many history is engraved. Here it's very cool. So we will go to other side of the coin and check what we gonna see on other side. Let me zoom out and change the side. Here you can see, as always, on the sides of the portrait of the Queen Elizabeth, as always on UK United Kingdom coins. Let me zoom. Here you can see a very cool portrait. Elizabeth II facing right, her effigy known as the first portrait. You can see the engraving of the portrait is Queen Elizabeth first portrait. Let me zoom a little bit more and now it's really clear. From this side, coin is also in very good condition and the outside border on this side is circle beaded. On other side there was a line beaded border. On this side it's dot space dot beaded border. It's very cool. The first portrait, the laurel wreath in the queen's hair is tied with ribbon with two ends flowing behind. Here you can see ends flow behind. The ribbon is very clear. You can see here the also initials of the designer. In small tiny things there are many things engraved. The nose cut, you can see the lips cut, the eye, the chin, the neck and the shoulder cut. Here you can see engraved the hairs with the tied ribbon. It's very cool. The monarch legend runs continuously all around. You can see continuously all around, plus sign Elizabeth to DEI Gratia Regina, translated from Latin Elizabeth II by the grace of God. Queen Elizabeth II by the grace of God. Queen, if we do the translation of the in simple English from Latin phrase, from Latin line. So this coin is very minimalistic, but very things to know inside the coin is engraved and connected with the old history. So we will go to the center and the middle side of the coin. If it's just simple and read it from inside, let's have a look. It's read it from inside. Here you can see it's read it. The line work, even it's small coin but still read it. If you have same coin in your collection, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box. And if you also love to collect the coins like me, then also tell me in the comment box. We will catch you in next video with another coin and other collection. For now, take care. Bye.